Oh, hi there. I haven't noticed you. Sorry.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing.
Hello everyone, this is Yomi Brown of Yommycrochetlogy. You guys want to learn how to curl your hair without any heat or anything that could possibly damage your hair? Of course you do. So please let me know in the comment section below that you are very interested in curling your hair like this for your next date night out with boyfriend and husband. And this is a heatless curls. And also I will give you tips and tricks how to take care of your curls. I've been a curl girl since I can remember. So I think when it comes to curls and how to take care of them, I'm expert with that. See you, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you will be notified when I uploaded the video. Thank you so much and see you there. Bye.